Hello, welcome to all of you in my channel Geography-ki Pathshala. So I hope that you all are doing well. So in our last video class, as you know that we started chapter 4 of NCERT syllabus of class 12, and that was our part 1 of that chapter, and in today's video class we are going to start with part 2 of the chapter Human Development. So as I told that in our last class that was the first part of the chapter, and there we have discussed about that what is growth, what is development, and what is the basic difference between growth and development. And there we have seen that there are two types of growth also, and we also discussed about that what is human development. Now let's start with some interesting facts in today's video class. So as you proceed with your chapter, then you will see that it is mentioned about there that there are 4 pillars, the pillars of human development. So let's start from here. So what are the 4 pillars? See, I have mentioned number 1 is equality, number 2 is sustainability, 3 is productivity, and the 4th one is empowerment. Now let's discuss them one by one. So what we mean by equality? Equality means that equal access of opportunity, and that is irrespective of any race, any religion, any class, caste, any income group, and also irrespective of any gender. Now let's see what we mean by sustainability. So sustainability means that the continuity in the availability of the opportunities, and that is to be noted that each generation must have the same opportunity. That means the opportunity which you are availing now, you should make sure that all those opportunities should be available for the upcoming generation also. So this is called as sustainable development, or you can say it that it's the meaning of sustainability. Now let's see the third point, which is productivity. So here you will see that it is discussing about the human labor or the human work, and here you will see that it has been discussed that how to enrich the capabilities in people. So now in the last point, which is empowerment, here you will see that it is discussing about that having the power to make choices, and there are some other points also like increasing freedom, capability, good governance, and also people oriented policies. So these are also some other factors to enrich the empowerment. So now let's discuss about the approaches to human development. So there are 4 different types of approaches. One is income approach, second is welfare approach, third one is basic need approach, and the 4th one is capability approach. So let's discuss them one by one. So the first one is income approach, and this is one of the oldest approach. Over here you will see that the level of income, it reflects towards the level of freedom which an individual enjoys. That means that the level of income, when it is higher, then the human development, that rate is also in a higher space. And the second one, which is welfare approach, here you will see that it looks at human being as an beneficiaries, and government do its higher expenditure in health, education, and amenities for the welfare of the population, for the welfare of its nation's people. Now let's discuss with the third and fourth point of approaches to human development. So the third point, which is basic needs approach. So this approach, it was initially proposed by International Labour Organization, which is ILO, and over here you will see that it has been discussed regarding 6 basic needs. So what are those basic needs? The basic needs are like health, education, food, water supply, sanitization, and housing. And the 4th point, which is about capabilities, this approach is associated with Amartya Sen, and over here it has been discussed that how to enrich the capabilities in the area of health, education and access to resources. So these are the 4 different key factors for increasing the human development. So we are ending our discussion over here, which is the part 2 of human development, and in our next class we will come with part 3 of this chapter. So I hope that you all enjoyed today's video class, and at the same time it was easy to all of you to understand all the concepts. So if you have any kind of doubt or any queries, then please comment below, and let's meet in our next video class. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, be happy and stay healthy.